wife's about to make something to eat.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Today I'm going to be making a famous popular drink called Dalgona. It's basically a whipped coffee. I'm going to be showing you my version of it. So if you're a coffee lover, stay tuned. The ingredients that you will need for this recipe are 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. It could be any brand. In our home, we use Café Butelo. 2 tablespoons of water, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, some cocoa powder to dress the drink up at the end, and also you're gonna need a glass cup, and later I'm gonna be filling it up with ice and milk. You're also gonna need a bowl and a hand mixer. So I have everything already prepped. So now I'm gonna be placing in the instant coffee, the 2 tablespoons, the 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ice water, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna whip everything together at medium speed. Okay guys, this took about 5 minutes. This is how it should look. Now I'm gonna show you how to present it. So I already have my mason jar filled up with ice. You could fill it up halfway. Now I'm gonna pour in the milk. Just put all of it in. Now I'm gonna place the whipped topping. Make it look nice and pretty, presentable. Look at that. It almost looks like peanut butter. Okay. Now I'm gonna place, this is optional, the cocoa powder on top. Just a little bit. Not too much. Okay, let me get this out the way. And this is the final product. So before you drink it, we're gonna mix it first. You might make a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Yep. Maybe next time put less milk, but it's still gonna be good. Okay, now I'm gonna try it. It's a little messy. This is delicious. If you're a coffee lover, you're gonna love this. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you try out this recipe. Bye.
This has been an episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Now you can get back to whatever it is you were doing. She's done.
Make sure you subscribe. You better like, share.
Hit that notification bell.
And comment down below.